Hello everyone, I am Satya from Informatica Global Customer Support. In this video, we'll go through Claire brand extraction in P360, which is present in version 10.5 hotfix 2 onwards. Agenda for today's topic includes prerequisites for Claire brand extraction, installation, configuration and operations. We'll also go through configuration of brand extraction Flex UI and how it can be used in DQ batch executions. At last, we'll go through best practices, recommendation, and known issues. As prerequisites for Claire brand extraction, we should make sure to have a PIM version of version 10.5 hotfix 2 and above. Also make sure that your system has a quad-core processor with at least 10 GB of RAM available to be used by Claire service. Brand name extraction is the task of identifying a brand of a product from a given text, assuming the text contains the brand. We'll further go through the examples in our demo session. You can find the Claire related applications within the accelerator zip file that is available to download from the network portal. Once you extract it, you can navigate to pim Claire server AI installation directory and run the installation script windows.bat file. This will install the libraries that is required to run the Claire service. Then you can click on the start claire.bat file to start the Claire service, which is present under Claire server AI directory. To configure the Claire, you can configure the config.ini file, which is present under Claire server AI directory. In this, you can set parameters like authentication info, server paths, port numbers, etc. Here you can also define the model extraction type, which is either S1 or S2 depending on your scenario. We recommend using S1 model for the training as it is faster to train than S2. On the P360 side, you need to make sure to have these properties enabled in the claire.properties file, which is present under server configuration HPM directory. These are basically the authentication info that is required. Coming to the operation part, we have three pre-built out-of-the-box export template that is available for brand extraction. You can also create your own custom template for your custom field as per your business use case. Once you have added and saved the export template, you can now add it to the export profile. You will be then good to start the training. We'll go through the training configuration in the demo part. You can access the progress of the training in the process overview. Also, once it is completed, it will be visible in the Show Claire model present under Management menu. We can also configure the brand extraction Flex UI. This can be opened in the web UI by selecting the items. Here we'll get the recommended brand name from the available description, which can then be selected and saved. For batch execution of brand extraction, we have a new data quality category available named Claire. After installation and configuration of Claire Accelerator, rule configuration are generated automatically on server restart. Here you can configure the source and target field along with a threshold value. After configuring, it can be used for triggers or direct execution to extract brands from the language specific values of a product record, just as any other data quality rule configuration. So now we'll go through the demo part of the Claire brand extraction. We have already extracted the Claire from the accelerator zip over here. So we'll now navigate to the server AI directory and we'll go to installation. Here we'll have the installation script.windows.bat which we'll need to run. So this will basically install all the libraries required. You can run it as an administrator. So this may take some time to run now. So once this is done, the CMD window will automatically exit. Now we'll go to the config ini file to check the configurations. So here we just need to make sure that you have defined the correct path. Apart from that, we have the model that we need. So it's suggested to use S1 and the port number that we have defined for the P360 as well. So we can now save it and then run the start clear.bat. This will basically start the clear service. So once it is started, you'll see the below line info serving on 5000, which is the port number that we have defined. Now we can go to the P360, and over here we just need to make sure that you already have the template added. So we have already added here AI classification training items and AI brand extraction training items. So this is the one that we are supposed to use. So AI brand extraction training item is the out of the box one that is being used here. You can use your custom template as well and export it to the export profile. So here we'll go through the start training. So once you start the training, you'll get this configuration dialog box where you can define the catalog, assortment, and the language that is required. And then click on next and then finish. So this will create a job in the process overview. So if you see here, this one is still running, and this will take enough time for the training to be executed on all these master catalog items that we had selected. So once the job is completed, you can then navigate to the management menu and then click on show clear model. This will show us the accuracy of the training model that we just executed. So if you see, if the model was S1 and the accuracy is 87.30 and the language is English. Now if you rerun the job on some other data set, so if the accuracy is higher, only then it will show over here. If the accuracy is less, then it will not show the details over here. Apart from this, we'll now go and check the Flex UI and try adding the Flex UI. So you can go to Manage UI template and add the out of the box UI template that has been given. So the brand extraction with clear items.xml is the one. We can import it. You can select the perspective and click on apply.
Now we'll log into the web client and select an item and then open the Flex UI for it. So we can select all the elements from the table. So you can sort it based on the short description so that you have the available recommendations for it. So now if you see, if we click on any particular item, we'll have the recommended name available. Similarly, if we go for another short description, we'll have this recommendation available. So to apply it, you just need to click on it and it will add this brand name to that particular field, manufacturer as Kodak. So This is it from the Flex UI. Now coming to the data quality part, you can also add this Claire brand extraction in your DQ configuration. So once you open the data quality perspective, you will have a new folder Claire created over it by default. So you can click on the brand extraction item. These are the available out of the box DQ rules. So now you see that the brand extraction is there, and we have the source field and the target field available. You can define the threshold as per your requirement. This can also be scheduled, so you can schedule it as per your requirement on the specific catalog that you want.
For best practices and recommendation, please ensure that there is enough training data to create your machine learning model. A training based on a few thousand records might not bring the best results. Also, the labels should be meaningful. Also make sure to include the training data which does not carry brand names. This will help to train the model that there might be text which does not have a brand names. The accuracy will be higher if the brand is getting extracted from shorter texts. Regarding the training model, S1 model for training is faster to train than S2. If the accuracy of the training model is less than 80%, you can try changing the parameter to S2, which can in turn give better accuracy but will run for a longer duration of time.
For more details, you can refer to our accelerator document. We would love to hear you add support videos at informatica.com. You can also reach out to our Twitter handle. Thank you.